Hi everyone, Chaz916 here. Welcome to my latest builds in my Western Theme Park series. Today I have two new rebuilds, Milo's Bakery and Stanton's Gunshop. So let's have a look around. We are going to start with Milo's Bakery. Where of course you can get some fresh bread. Let's go inside. You can also get breads, rolls, muffins, cookies, and cakes for all occasions. Basically, you can get all your fresh baked goods here. We have a customer sitting area, there and there, product counter, customer service, cool storage. Over here we have ovens, warm storage, and the prep area. And plenty of incidental storages around the top and bottom. Hi Rosie. Okay, so let's take a quick look out back. We have the same thing as before, a first aid kit, sink, and barrel, as well as the electronic stops. Okay Rosie, let's go to the gun shop. Okay, coming over here, this is Stanton's Gun Shop. Colt 45 was a very popular Western gun. Here he's selling it for $17, which is a really good price. So let's have a look inside. Coming inside, we have the merchandise area. Over here we have customer table, or customer service area. Back here we have a forge and workbench for gunsmithing. We have storage there and up there. You can see he sells the sharp repeating rifle for $50, which is a good deal. And his name is Roger Stanton. He's the gunsmith. His office area is back here. Cartridges are 50 cents a box. Pretty cheap, especially by today's standards. And breech loading shotguns for $60. That's a pretty good deal too. Okay, we'll just take a good look around. Okay, and going out back, we have stairs, and we are going to go upstairs. His residence, Stanton's residence, is upstairs. So we're going to go take a look up here. Okay, and this is basic residence. It's got plenty of storage. It's got a kitchen area, a dining area, nice library, and bedroom. Okay guys, where's Rosie? Let's go Rosie. Okay guys, thank you for joining me. I hope you have an opinion on the rebuild. If you do, please put it in the comment section below, along with any suggestions or, anything else. Okay. Good job, Rosie. You're keeping up good today. Okay. So, Rosie, thank you for joining us. I thank you for joining us, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.